Gentlemen, it's Edgar Raphael down here, the writer of the book so-called Six-Figure Trading Strategies. You can find it on Amazon. It teaches you how to get the best trades out there, teaches you the psychology of the game, and all the best ingredients that you need to have to become the best trader, the 10%. So, to crack on quickly, I just want to save your time. Today we're going to start straight out with the US dollar index. Oh, sorry, that's just a train outside there, just passing by. I'm going to start with the US dollar index. The reason why I'm doing this nowadays, it kind of gives me trajectory and bias in terms of the pairs, US dollar based pairs, decision making. So, as you can see here, we are on a very important levels. This resistance line here has become a support level at the moment. It's 94.15, and we expect this reversal to come to 94.19 and to see a further upside in the coming week. Now, this is a very critical stage, whereas it's going to appreciate the value of the US dollar against other pairs. Now, having that as our bias towards the coming week, let's crack on to our first pair comprising US dollar. Let's start with the US Japanese yen. Now, from the previous week, we had a very strong upward movement. The price action here has been quite vivid. Since 26th of June, there's been a massive uptrend here, and we expect a reversal at this level, but it's good to wait for the breakout to happen so far. And at the moment, the way I see it, the market is trying to reverse at this key level here. So with the US dollar index waiting to reach that significant support level, I'm expecting an upward movement. So at the moment, I just wait the market to do its thing and wait for that retracement and go back upward like that. Okay, alright, so this line here acts as my key support upward level. So we see more of higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So we should expect an upward movement in the coming week. However, probability might happen, it might break out downwards towards here and come to this target level of 110.009. Jumping next is EURUSD. EURUSD, such a really fun pair. Last week I traded with. We're expecting a key upward movement from this key support level to here, 1.1227, and a downward movement, judged from the price action and the increase in the US dollar strength in the coming week. So we're going to expect an appreciation to this key 1.8225 and a downward reversal towards this target here, 1.1561. Now guys, I've been receiving some questions that some people want to buy here. It all depends on your strategy, guys. For me, I just trade with the trend, the price action. I see this is a downward movement for the past month. Plus, I see this as a key significant resistance level. Now, when the price comes here, I'm expecting a downward trend. That's how I see it. Next, GBP USD. GBP USD. Yeah, another interesting market. Now, what I expect for the coming week, I expect the price to come up to this significant resistance level. However, there must be more strength. This further significant level 1.3452, and from there expect a downward movement, a continuation of the downward trend. Alright, so if you want to use Fibonacci retracement, you could use from this point here, let me zoom in, from here to down here, and you get 5.6 retracement. And I see this as a very key point for the coming week. So guys, another trick here you've seen, wait for the price to respect your significant levels. Do not jump in and rush to trade. Next, Euro-Japanese yen. What do we see here? We see a consolidation in the market happening at the moment. The price is dwindling at these key levels here for the past month, since the beginning of June. Now, what's my bias towards the week? With this price action coming in, I'm expecting a further upward movement to this key level here. Not this one, this key level. Or for the key level here, an upward movement. And then a further retracement down to this key level here of 127.773. Another one, gold. What do I see in gold? I see a major retracement from this point here, 1,253.01, this key resistance level, and apparently we see a further continuation of the downward trend. And what will trigger this further downward trend is the appreciation of the US dollar, as I highlighted earlier on the first trade. Last but not least, US oil, the crude oil. Now the crude oil has break this key significant level, and there's a massive strong upward momentum. What do I see for the coming week? I see a short retracement and a further upward movement. Now from this, I can be very worrisome about US dollar CAD, because the US dollar is gaining strength. Also, Canadian dollar is gaining strength from the US oil. Now, from there, it makes the prices very choppy and don't have any valuation behind it. So you cannot have a... Sorry, got another train. Oh my goodness. So you cannot have a precise valuation and entry points in the market. So avoid this card for the coming week. Thank you guys. That's it for me for this week. If you like our videos, give the thumbs up, subscribe, share. Plus, just try to comment down below if you have any questions. Yeah, I keep on receiving comments about Swahili version. Guys, I'm being really busy at the moment. It's quite hard for me to devote my time, but I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best to make sure I get this content as simple as it can be. So all in all, guys, thank you so much and have a great